So here we have some rather simple problems, but you can see that they're made a little bit more complicated by the presence of negative numbers. So we have negative numbers and positive numbers. And you can see we're dealing with both multiplication and division. And the reason for that is because the rule that guides answering these kinds of questions is the same for both multiplying and dividing numbers. So let's take a look at the first one, right? So the first question is 4 times 6. Now the 4 is a positive and the 6 is a positive. So it's a simple problem. We know that 4 times 6 is 24, and we also know that that 24 is a positive 24. That's kind of like a normal times table. The same applies to 24 divided by 6. These are both positive numbers. 24 and 6, they're all positives. And 24 divided by 6 we know is 4, and that also is a positive. So remember that. Positive times positive equals positive. Positive divided by positive equals positive. So let's jump down to the next row. We have here minus 4 times minus 6, and on this side we've got minus 24 divided by minus 6. So here's the important thing to note. We have here minus 4 times minus 6. So what happens to the answer? Well, the answer, what is 4 times 6? That's 24, right? So we just have to decide whether that 24 is positive or negative. We can see negative, negative, and the answer is positive. I'll explain why in a minute. On this side here we have negative 24 divided by negative 6. And the answer is, what's 24 divided by 6 is 4. So is that positive or negative? Negative divided by negative equals positive. Okay, so what's going on? The simple rule is this, is that when the numbers that you're multiplying are the same, in other words, they're both positive or both negative, then the answer is always going to be positive when you multiply. Same factors equals a positive product. Same factors in terms of positive or negative equals a positive product. And the same applies to division. We have same, and that equals positive. Same here, so both are negative, it's going to equal a positive. So you might be able to guess now if they're different. So we have a positive here and a negative here, what will the answer be? Well, if they're the same, it's positive. So if they're different, it's going to be negative. We have a negative and a positive, so the answer is going to be negative. What is 4 times 6? 24. What is 4 times 6? 24. So negative times a positive times a negative equals a negative. A negative times a positive equals a negative. If they are different, it's negative. If they are the same, it's positive. So 24 divided by negative 6, we've got a positive divided by a negative. They are different. Therefore, the answer is negative. Negative 24 divided by positive 6, right? They are different. So the answer is negative. So 24 divided by 6 is 4, and it's negative 4 because positive divided by negative. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Negative 4 because it's negative 24 divided by positive. And that's how you do it.